what we were asked to do was also to bring over some of these guys. And what we have here are two Portuguese entrepreneurs that have a very motivating, I think, very inspiring story. Francisco and Frederico.
Are you listening to me? Yeah. So, hello everyone. First of all, thank you for the invite. It's a pleasure to us to be here to presenting our project. And I think we are a proof of what Professor Pedro Oliveira just talked about. And that innovation can come from patients, caregivers, or relatives. So for those who doesn't know us, we are a digital healthcare startup based in Braga and that operates in Lisbon and in Braga. And our goal is to detect breast cancer at an early stage. And this all started with my cousin's story. So this is Filipa, she's my cousin, and she had breast cancer. And she used to do the breast self-exam, however, she didn't have confidence in herself doing this. So when she felt something in her breast, she thought it was nothing. 3 months later, the lump didn't disappear, so she went to the doctor. And the results, a malignant cancer and mandatory breast removal. And as Filipa, there are thousands of women who don't have confidence doing the breast self-exam, who don't know how to do it, or who just simply forget to do it. And that's why 35% of breast cancers are not detected at an early stage. So we created a solution that it's this glove. It's a home and portable medical screening device that complements the breast self-exam. So this device is a glove that, with the help of piezoelectric sensors that are located here in this pocket, we will detect and control abnormalities in the breast tissue. And this is possible because we connect our glove to a mobile app, and with our machine learning algorithm, we will be able to see any difference in the breast tissue from 1 month to the next one. Our goal is not, or better, we are just a complement to the breast self-exam. So it doesn't replace yet all the diagnosis exams or routine appointments. Our goal is to simplify results. So if the glove detects something, the app will send an alert and recommend women to schedule appointments. And we have come a long way to reach this prototype. Actually, we started this project in 2020. I started in my room in March 2020 to do some experiences with the technology. We started our clinical trials with this prototype, and now this is the last one, that it can be used in both hands and is the one that we are most proud of. And yes, our technology, of course, it works, or we hope it can be proved that it works. We did a proof of concept where we tested our device in 40 patients in CUF descobertas, and our sensors got the diagnosis right in 90% of the time. The other 10% were just false positives. So we believe we can increase this accuracy by implementing more variables. And with more data, of course. And to reach that data, we are partnering with these 6 hospitals to reach 500 patients. Right now, we did our test in more or less 120 patients, and we will keep this journey in clinical trials. However, the economical impact of the early stage detection of breast cancer is already proved. And in IPO Lisboa, it is spent twice as much on late detected breast cancers compared to those that are detected at an early stage. And an American study shows that we can save about $1.5 billion with the early detection of breast cancer. We did our own preliminary health economics, and maybe Professor Pedro Peter Barros can help us to validate some assumptions afterwards. But we did this based on some papers, and if we keep with 90% of accuracy, we can save up to 10% of health insurance companies in Portugal, of 10% of health insurance companies' costs, and save up to 19% in the United States. However, and more important than economical impact, is the psychosocial impact. It's the aggressive treatments and mutilating surgeries that can be avoided, and the lives that we can save when we act at the right time. So of course we have competition, but with different technologies which have many limitations. And this is our unique selling proposition. An easy-to-use device that can detect all kinds of abnormalities in all types of women, and it can be used in the comfort and privacy of their homes. And beyond this, we want to differentiate ourselves in the business model. This is not so important in this case, but our business model will be based on an hardware as a service, with an annual subscription where we offer the glove, the mobile app, free maintenance, and hardware and software updates. This means that if something happens to the glove, the user sends it to us and we send a new one, or if there are new versions, we will replace it free of charge. With this, we can reuse and recycle components that are still working, lowering our production costs. So since the beginning, we had a bootstrapping strategy, and these partnerships with these 6 hospitals, we saved more than 150,000 euros just in the clinical trials. We already have more than 200 pre-orders. This is already unupdated. We were recognized by some of the biggest awards in Portugal, receiving more than 85,000 euros just in cash prizes. We already have 2 patent applications that we intend to submit on PCT, and we have some letters of interest by big players that can help us to get in the market. Regarding our roadmap, as I showed you, we did a lot of progresses regarding our clinical trials and product development. We are closing right now our first investment round. We will distribute the first 300 gloves to test our product with women. So this will be test devices to validate some assumptions with women, because this product development is always a women-centric development. And this, in the meantime, we are working in the certification to get the CE mark and the FDA approval. So my name is Francisco. I'm a biomedical engineer, and I'm the cousin of Filipe. But I have some technical expertise that helped me to start this project. Frederico joined me in the beginning with his knowledge in management and digital innovation. Guilherme is our IT specialist, and we have 4 more amazing teams. The legal team with PLMJ, the product development team, where we are working with CITEV and 3D Ways in textile and hardware, the IT team with Tomás and Luís, and the regulatory affairs team led by Cecilia. We also count with an amazing board of advisors, and we also count with the support of some medical doctors that are really important to us in our product development. And of course, our key opinion leader, Dr. Rogério Luna, is a breast surgeon and the president of Spanish Association of Breast Surgeons. We want to be a global reference in breast cancer prevention, and after we launch our product on the market in 2024, we believe we can scale our product fast with this business model, and we intend to keep with this R&D component on other applications of piezoelectric sensors.
Hello, everyone. Hello? Okay. Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. As you heard Francisco's story, we saw that our story was a perfect fit to go to Patient Innovation Bootcamp in 2021. And it was really amazing because it's all of the people that were behind the organization, all the speakers that we had the opportunity to hear, some of them the stories that Professor Pedro shared, and all the other startups that joined us on this journey that helped us learn a lot about medtech, patient journey, marketing in healthcare, and all of things regarding innovation. And it was thanks to the people that made this possible. For example, our MedTech marketing advisor, it's someone that came from patient innovation, a contact from patient innovation. So it's amazing how many stories we hear and help us and motivate us to go on this innovation. For us at Glooma, we not only want to make this product, but we also want to help in the digital transformation in healthcare. So we want to use AI, machine learning, Internet of Things, big data, and all the technologies available to have a more patient-centered system. We are trying to do that already with women, but we hope to continue to do that. And to add to what Professor Pedro was saying, healthcare as we know it, it's used to be good enough, but not anymore. Good enough is dead. In a world where everything is connected, there's only one place where we can innovate, and that's each one of us. So we can look at the pains, we have that capacity, and we have the capacity to add value and to innovate. You want to finish?
Yes, so join us, because at Glooma we cannot stop breast cancer, but we can help women stop dying from it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.